Hi, I'm Bryan Brooks, and for the 2016 Sight and Sound auditions, I will be delivering a monologue from I Hate Hamlet and singing Lost in the Wilderness from Children of Eden. So last night, right from the start, I knew I was bombing. I sounded real big and phony, real thee and thou, and I couldn't connect. And as I'm babbling on, I look out in the audience, and about the second row there's this kid, 16, obviously dragged there. And he's yawning, and he's reading his program, and he's jiggling his leg, and I just wanted to say, "Hey kid, I'm with you! I can't stand this either!" But I couldn't do that. So I kept going, and I'm just feeling worse and worse. And then I get to the soliloquy, the big job, and I just decided, forget it, just do it. To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take up arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them. And I kept going. I finished the speech, and I look out, and there's the kid. And he's listening. The whole audience, complete silence, total focus. And I was Hamlet. And that lasted about 10 seconds, and I was back in hell. But for that one little bit, for that one speech, I had it. Hamlet. And only 8,000 more lines to go. I never made this world, I didn't even lose it, and I know no one said it was fair. But they had it pardoned once, they had the chance to choose it, they gave it away, including my share. And now we're lost in the wilderness, lost crying in the wilderness. And if anyone's watching, it seems they couldn't care less. We're lost in the wilderness. You follow all the rules, you swallow all the stories, and every night you wish on a star. But dreaming your day will come, and trusting in allegories,